enhance decision making. I will pick just one word from there, sentiment analysis. I love that. The use case is that, for example, before in RPA, you were supposed to only automate when if then else statements are there. But now here, AI is helping robots actually, our bots actually, that some chat happening on the customer services chat bot area, and your AI can read that and find out that there is a customer who is really upset. So you send that trigger to the bot, and now you can identify if some customer is upset, what you're supposed to do in the workflow, right? And if somebody is super happy, what do you do? It was not possible before adding AI to the RPA. Obviously, now before the introduction of AI, we were not able to take the script from the chats, emails, customer inquiries, customer support. So natural language processing, wherever it is, we can introduce in our automation cycle. Communication mining, very, very important. Like I just give you an example of a chat where it was a current chat, but now let's say you have a huge data of tons, millions of emails in your organization. You can literally create, you can mine that information and have your dashboard, give it to bot that now this customer is at this level on certain perspectives, certain indicators, and you can literally make very useful business decisions based on that.